Security, Professional, JNCIP-SEC, JN0-637 exam dumps questions are available, which are valuable for you to pass. Share some Juniper certification JN0-637 exam dumps questions here. 1. A company wants to paron their physical SRX Series firewall into multiple logical units and assign each unit, tenant, to a department within the organization. You are the primary administrator of firewall and a colleague is the administrator for one of the departments. Which two statements are correct about your colleague? Choose two. A. The colleague can configure the resources allocated and routing protocols. B. The colleague can access and view the resources of the tenant system. C. The colleague can create and assign logical interfaces to the tenant system. D. The colleague can modify the number of allocated resources for the tenant system. 2. Your company wants to take your Juniper ATP appliance into private mode. You must give them a list of impacted features for this request. Which two features are impacted in this scenario? Choose two. A. False positive reporting. B. Threat progression monitoring. C. GSS telemetry. D. Cyber kill chain mapping. 3. You must set up a Ddos solution for your ISP. The solution must be agile and not block legitimate traffic. Which two products will accomplish this task? Choose two. A. Contrail Insights. B. Mix Series device. C. Carrero Smartwall TDD. D. SRX Series device. 4. You are connecting two remote sites to your corporate headquarters site. You must ensure that traffic passes corporate headquarter. A. In this scenario, which VPN should be used? B. Full mesh IPsec VPNs with tunnels between all sites. C. A full mesh layer 3 VPN with the BGP route reflector behind the corporate firewall device. D. A layer 3 VPN with the corporate firewall acting as the hub device. E. Hub and spoke IPsec VPN with the corporate firewall acting as the hub device. 5. Which two security intelligence feed types are supported? A. Infected host feed. B. Command and control feed. C. Custom feeds. D. Malicious URL feed. 6. You are asked to control access to network resources based on the identity of an authenticated device. Which three steps will accomplish this goal on the SRX Series firewalls? Choose 3. A. Configure an end-user profile that characterizes a device or set of devices. B. Reference the end-user profile in the security zone. C. Reference the end-user profile in the security policy. D. Apply the end-user profile at the interface connecting the devices. E. Configure the authentication source to be used to authenticate the device. 7. You configured a security policy permitting traffic from the trust zone to the untrust zone but your traffic not hitting the policy. In this scenario, which CLI command allows you to troubleshoot traffic problem using the match criteria? A. Show security policy report. B. Show security application tracking counters. C. Show security match policies. D. Request security policies check. 8. You must create a secure fabric in your company's network in this scenario. Which three statements are correct? Choose 3. A mixed series device associated with tenants can belong to only one site. B. A switch must be assigned to the site to enforce an infected host policy within the network. C. SRX Series devices can belong to multiple sites. D. SRX Series devices can belong to only one site. E. Switches and connectors cannot be added to the same site. 9. You must find an infected host and where the AACK came from using the Juniper ATP Cloud. Which 2 monitor workspaces will return the requested information? Choose 2. A. Hosts. B. File scanning. C. Threat sources. D. Encrypted traffic. 10. You want to enable inter-tenant communicaon with tenant system. In this scenario, which 2 solutions will accomplish this task? A. Interconnect EVPN switch. B. Interconnect VPLS switch. C. External router. D. Logical tunnel interface.